Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can check your network on Netflix app. So if you have a trouble, or if you have a, like when you try to play the movie or series on Netflix, a your Netflix is always buffering. So you can try to test, or you can try to check your network on Netflix app. Maybe there is a something that prevent your Netflix a play like normally. So you can the first step, or the first thing you need to do, you can tap on your profile. Here you can tap three stripe at the top of your screen and tap app settings. You can scroll down, and here we go. This is the diagnostics. You can tap on check network. Here you can test your internet connection for any problems that may prevent you from using Netflix. So you can tap on start test to check your network. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.